Welcome to Mars Saga, your gateway to the Red Planet. Subscribe now and join the journey.
Welcome back to Mars Saga, where every episode uncovers a new chapter in humanity's greatest cosmic journey. We've looked for water, we've searched for life, we've explored the dust and decoded the silence. But now, the time has come for the next step, to send humans to Mars. For decades, Mars has been our destination in dreams, our mirror in the night sky. Every telescope glance, every robotic rover, every orbiting probe, all have been rehearsals for the moment when human boots finally press into the red dust. And now, that dream is no longer fantasy. It's becoming destiny. NASA's Artemis program and Mars mission roadmap have paved the first solid path. After returning humans to the moon, we will use it as a training ground to test habitats, extract water from ice, and practice living off another world. From there, the next frontier is 225 million kilometers away, Mars. Imagine the first crew, a mix of scientists, engineers, doctors, and pilots strapped into a spacecraft, not much larger than a small house, traveling through the silent void for 7 months. Outside, nothing but darkness. Inside, every heartbeat echoing through the cabin. No resupply ships, no rescue missions. Only courage, technology, and faith. The journey won't be easy. Space radiation, isolation, and the sheer distance from Earth are enormous challenges. Communication with mission control will have a delay of up to 22 minutes each way. That means every decision, every mistake, every breath must be made with absolute precision. This isn't just a trip to another planet. It's the longest leap in human history. But what awaits them when they land? The landing site will likely be near Jezero Crater, where rise like smoke, the same dust that's been undisturbed for billions of years. The first astronaut to step out will leave a print that could last 1,000,000 years. Their first words may not echo like Armstrong's on the moon, but they will carry the weight of every explorer who ever dared to look up. Habitat modules, present by cargo ships, will be waiting. Inflated domes, radiation-shielded bunkers, and solar arrays stretching like metallic wings. Life support systems will extract oxygen from the Martian air and melt ice to produce water. Every part of survival will be an experiment. Farming in alien soil, recycling every drop of moisture, breathing air made from the planet itself. This is not just exploration. It's terraforming at the human scale, the first step in turning Mars from a story into a home. Yet, Mars is not a kind world. The gravity is 1/3 that of Earth's. Dust storms can block sunlight for weeks. Nighttime temperatures can drop to -100 degrees C. Every sunrise will be a reminder that survival here is borrowed time. But humans are not built to surrender. We're built to adapt. Engineers are designing nuclear-powered habitats, capable of generating heat and electricity even through long Martian winters. Artificial greenhouses, glowing with hydroponic crops, will grow lettuce, potatoes, and algae for food and oxygen. Robots will maintain machinery outside while humans remain safely inside, protected from deadly radiation. And on the walls of their habitat, someone will tape a small picture of Earth, the blue marble they once called home. Over time, these pioneers will not just survive, they'll begin to live. They'll name rocks, hills, and valleys. They'll record sunrises and dust devils. They'll celebrate the first child born in another world. They'll teach us what it truly means to belong beyond Earth. The Mars Colony Project, a joint effort between NASA, ESA, SpaceX, and international partners, envisions a settlement of 100 people by the late 2030s. Elon Musk's Starship is already testing reusable ships designed to carry 100 tons of cargo and up to 30 passengers each. By mid-century, entire fleets may fly between Earth and Mars, ferrying supplies, equipment, and new settlers. But even as we look forward, a deeper question remains. Will we change Mars, or will Mars change us? Living on Mars will reshape humanity. Our bodies will evolve under lower gravity. Our bones will weaken, muscles will adapt, and perhaps even our minds will learn to see differently under a red sky. Future generations born there might be taller, lighter, and stronger in radiation tolerance. They'll speak new dialects, create new cultures, and build new myths about the world that gave them life. Mars will become not just a place we visit, but a new chapter of who we are. Imagine, centuries from now, cities beneath glass domes, glowing in the dusk, connected by tunnels and maglev trains. Children playing under an artificial sky. Scientists gazing through telescopes built on Martian mountains, free from Earth's cloudy atmosphere. And when those children ask where their ancestors came from, someone will point to the faint blue dot in the night sky and whisper, "That's where we began." The dream of a multiplanetary civilization is not arrogance, it's survival. Every species that ever existed on Earth eventually faced extinction, but humans are different. We refuse to vanish. We reach out. Mars is not our escape, it's our evolution. And yet, amid all the engineering and ambition, one thing must remain clear. We must treat Mars not as a resource, but as a responsibility. The planet has existed for billions of years without us. We must ensure that when we arrive, we do not destroy what we seek to discover. Protecting Mars' environment is as sacred as protecting life itself, because the moment we contaminate its soil or water, we may erase the very life we came to find. As the first colony grows, humans will look up and see two moons, Phobos and Deimos, dancing across the crimson sky. They will watch storms sweep the horizon and hear the soft hum of machines keeping them alive. And maybe, just maybe, they will step outside one night, remove their gloves, and touch the dust, knowing that same dust once held the potential for life. Mars is no longer just a planet. It's our second home in the making, a bridge between what we were and what we will become. As we stand at the edge of this new era, the story of Mars becomes the story of humanity itself, of courage, resilience, and the eternal hunger to go further. The red planet is waiting. The countdown has already begun. And when the first human looks back from the Martian horizon, Earth will rise, small, fragile, beautiful, reminding us why we came in the first place. Thank you for watching till the end. You were watching Mars Saga, where the dust of another world becomes the mirror of our destiny.